Good morning. I'm going to pick some plums. It was raining this morning, but now it hold up a bit, so time for me to pick some plums. My bowl to collect my plums. This is plums and mangoes. They are my favorite fruits. There are some big ones at the top, but since it was raining, it's hard to climb the tree and I don't want to fall. Take a good look. Look at mustique. That's mustique down yonder. And that's pecker. You see a piece of pecker right there. When the weather is clear, you see them clearly. Like right now. I wish I can reach those big ones, but they are so far up. Hmm. I'm going to take a stick and see if I can get those nice big ones. Have to go easy. Okay. That one drop here. Got it. Oh, oh well. Look at, here we go again. There we go. So they're big and juicy. Big and juicy. Where did my stick go? You have to keep your eye on them because there's so much on the ground that is not good. They're walking good. All right. Good. Okay, let me continue and pick some more. Okay. Oh man. Great. This is what I got. I'm going to wash them, share them, and eat some. Oh. I have to research a name for this food because I don't think it's custard apple. My friend had told me it's custard apple, but now she's telling me she's not too sure if that's the correct name. So I'll do some research. She made me the juice. It was delicious and refreshing. You can also add milk to it. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And remember, it's the ripe ones that you are making the juice with, okay? The ripe ones. When they turn ripe, then you make your juice. Here I have an extra bottle that she made. As I said before, you can add milk to it, but I do not want no milk in it. I just love things natural. So that's it. Hi, are you eating your banana? Eating your banana skin? This is a rabbit. Hi, eating your banana? How are you? You. How are you? Saan may eat a banana? Anything. Go in. May banana. Mm-hmm. Bye-bye. Andre, there's lettuce. Lettuce in the garden. Lettuce. What am the name again? Onion? Sive. Ooh, look at the bed of lettuce. Wow. See the tomato. And this is flavor pepper. All the nice peppers. Flavor peppers. Lots of tomatoes. Lots of peas tree growing there. Hmm? Yes, yes, yes. Make an eggplant. Really good. Looking good. Guys have a lot of grass to eat. Hey, goat. Lots of good grass to eat.